Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
So we just left IKEA now, and here is my plant. I would have preferred the other one, but just because that other one is not tall, I need something tall. That's why I went for this one. So right now we're going back to Canadian Tire to return the other one we bought a few days ago. So we just got back now and I'm hungry, so I want to eat oatmeal and vegetable soup. I made this vegetable soup yesterday, but I didn't eat it because my friend sent jollof rice. And I had to eat that jollof rice. It was smelling so yummy. So it's time to set up the tree that I just bought. I'll put my camera.
Speed to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
Hi guys, you are welcome back to my channel. My name is Moni and I'm a Nigerian living in Winnipeg, Manitoba. So today I
Winnipeg, Manitoba.
This parcel I got from. If you're an OG member, you will know where I got this from. I've been shopping from Temu Live.
OG member.
No man's business. They need, because I've ordered a lot of things from them. One thing I like about Temu is that you will get cheap things, cheap and affordable things. So like this thing I bought now, let me unbox it. So this is the tripod for the LED light. So can you see? Then I also bought this. I'll just plug this to my socket under my table, my office desk. Then if I want to charge my phone, oh, I'm using my phone right now, I'll just place my phone this way on it, and I can also charge my smartphone too. Can you see? You can charge your smartphone, you can charge your smartwatch, you can charge your phone, and you can charge your AirPod. I have an AirPod, but I don't usually use it because I don't think I even know where the charger is. But now that I have this, I will make use of it.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Afternoon, we lay awake in bed. It laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We waste the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
The other day we went to the park and we couldn't stay long at the park because I wasn't properly dressed and I was cold. Then I couldn't make a video because my battery died and I didn't go along with my power bank. So today I want to take my kids to the park right now and we'll stay there for about 1.5 hours. So let's go. We'll see my beautiful tree. It's downstairs. Okay, so I'll catch you guys later when we get to the park.
inside the bedroom.
Guys, can you please hold it? How you say hello? How you say hello?
Hello.
The spring is springing.
And this night,
But I'm having a terrible cold and sore throat.
Yeah, no.
I'm almost at the park.
How do you press the hair?
It's over there now. No, let's
My
stay.
jacket.
Let's be sitting on. I think this is a school. You can see a school over there. Since we've been coming here, I didn't know that this park is for a school. Well, maybe it's not for the school because the school is a distance from here. Yeah, let's go. Oh yeah. Sing it without the TV. Don't play it on the TV. The reason why I don't wear this wig is because I have to straighten it every time I want to wear it. And today is Easter Sunday. We're almost late for church, but we'll try and go before the main service starts because my kids are having a church presentation. We're already in spring, but the weather is still very cold. Yeah. So, school starts tomorrow.
What?
Who is there now? This go.
What?
And it's fine.
What?
No.
David, come and choose the cake for me.
Hold on, class. What did you pick?
I chose 7.
What looks cakey about it?
The bottom was looking cakey, was giving some cakey vibes.
The bottom is giving Raina cakey vibes. Let's see what's going on with it. No.
I can see the trend on the...
Not cake.
Anniversary, we have thousands of robots 30% off or more.
Ah, they gave you biscuit. Did you say thank you? Hold it. So I'm going out to a naming ceremony now. That's why I'm dressed up. I just finished from work and I quickly took a shower and I decided to wear my African print. So I don't know if I'll be able to make a video, but this is how I'm going to the naming ceremony. So I'll be going to my sister's house now to meet up with her. I will catch you guys later. Bye.